When you look at vegetables and you see how beautiful they look, many people think that it's easy to grow them. And in actuality, it's more to growing vegetables, or any plant for that matter, than just sticking it in the dirt. I'm going to show you the process that I do to feed my vegetables and to water them. Wow. As I said, a lot of people think that just putting your vegetable or plant in the ground and watering it, and that's all you have to do to get it to grow. Well, in some cases, that could very well be true. But what I do as far as taking care of my vegetables, when I get a plant that I start from seed, the first thing that I do, um, if I'm going to put it in a 5 gallon pot or if I'm going to put it in a raised bed, I either dig the hole or a furrow, and then I put a granular fertilizer into the hole or the furrow. Now, I prefer to use a brand called Nature Safe. If I'm doing basically brassicas or anything that doesn't have a major root or anything, I will use Nature Safe 855. If I'm doing um, brassicas such as cabbage and um, mustards, collard greens, I will use Nature Safe 1300. The reason for the difference is with the Nature's Safe 1300, I'm primarily trying to push the green leaves, which is what you eat, on the plants. So they are going to require lots of nitrogen. So that's why I use that. If I'm using 855, like with my tomatoes and turnips and stuff, I'm not so much pushing the green leaves as as much as trying to make the whole plant stay healthy and grow. So that's why that there's the difference. Once that the plants are in the ground and they are growing, they're sustainable. I every 2 weeks feed them with AgroThrive or fish fertilizer in combination with Jack's All-Purpose 2020 or Bloom Buster, depending on what I'm feeding. Now, with the general purpose AgroThrive here, this is what I feed my collard greens and cabbages. I mix it in a 5 gallon bucket with water, and I have a pitcher that I just pour it on around the plant. And I also sometimes mix an all-purpose from Jack's and with the general purpose. So they are really getting fed real well. And again, that's every 2 weeks. Now, for my tomatoes and eggplant and hot peppers and stuff like that, I mix the Bloom Buster, which is 10, 30, 20, along with the AgroThrive flour, fruit and flour formula. And again, it gets mixed in a 5 gallon bucket, and I pour it around the base or roots of the plant. Now, if I run out of AgroThrive, then I'll go ahead and use the fish fertilizer. Um, AgroThrive and Jax and the fish fertilizer can easily be found on Amazon or your local big box store. But these are the fertilizers that I care to use. Doesn't mean that you have to use them. Whatever works best for you. I found that these work best for me. And the cycle, like I said, is every 2 weeks. Um, and it's been working well. My plants are very healthy, very green. Um, don't have any problems with them or anything like that. So I thought I would share that with you as far as my process. Tell me about the steps that you guys do. Leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll reply. So just a quick video to tell you what I do and how it works for me. Until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.